Good morning, students. We are studying algebraic expressions and identities. In this exercise, we have solved exercise 9.2. Now, today we will solve exercise 9.3. So, in exercise 9.3, we will learn about addition, subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expressions, and in this exercise, student, we have to multiply monomials with binomials and binomials with binomials. So, question number first of this exercise is, student, carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. Student, I am not going to write the question, and in this question number first, carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. There are two pairs of expressions and we have to multiply and find the product of those algebraic expressions. So, first part of this question is, student, this one question number first and solution of question number first, that is first part, this one solution, student, and in this, student, we have to find the product or we have to multiply the first expression with the second expression. First expression is 4p and second expression is q plus r. There are two algebraic expressions, student, and this one the first and this one second. Now we have to multiply these two algebraic expressions, 4p into q plus r. Now, student, in the next step we have to multiply this 4p with q and again with 4p with r. Clear, student? So, this one 4p into q plus, because there is a sign of addition, plus 4q into 4p into r. This one is, student. Now, this one is, student, 4p into q, it will be 4pq plus this one 4pr. This is the answer, or this is the product of these two algebraic expressions, student. Now, we have to solve the third part of this question, student. Third part, that is a plus b multiplied by 7a square b square. A plus b, this one first expression, and 7a square b square. A square b square. This one is the second expression. Now we have to multiply these two expressions, student. So, a plus b. Put this expression in bracket, student, and put a sign of multiplication, because we are going to find out the product of these two expressions. So, this one 7a square b square. Now, student, first of all we have to multiply this 7a square b square with a, or a with 7a square b square. After that, we have to multiply this b with 7a square b square. Clear, student? So, in the first step, a into 7a square b square plus, because there is a sign of addition, student, we have to put the sign, plus b into 7a square b square. Now, we have to multiply this a with a square. So, a into a square, it will be a to the power 3, and this one, first of all we have to write the numbers first, student. This one 7a to the power 3, because a multiplied by a square, it will be a to the power 3 and b square. plus again we have to multiply this b with 7a square b square. So it will be b into b square, b to the power 3 or b cube. So it will be 7a square b cube. Student, we have to multiply this b with b square. So it will be b cube, because exponents will be added or powers will be added. Here b to the power 1 and b to the power 2. So after multiplying it will be b to the power 3. Clear, student? So this is the answer of third part of the question. Now fifth part of first question, that is PQ plus QR plus RP multiplied by 0. PQ plus QR plus RP. This one is first expression and second expression is 0, student. Now we have to multiply these two expressions. So first of all we have to multiply this PQ plus QR plus RP, put it in a bracket and multiply it with 0. Clear, student? So 0 multiplied by PQ, this one PQ into 0 plus QR multiplied by 0 into 0 plus RP multiplied by 0. So PQ multiplied by 0, this one will be 0. 0 plus this one QR multiplied by 0, it will be also 0, and plus RP into 0, it is 0, student. So answer is 0. If we multiply this PQ plus QR plus RP with 0, then product will be 0, student. So this is the first question, student, and two parts of the first questions are remain here, and you have to do those two parts, that is part second and part fourth of the question number first. This is question number second, student, and in this question we have to find the product of first expression and second expression. So first expression, that is A, and the second expression, that is B plus C plus D. We have to find out the product of these two expressions. So first of all we have to multiply this A with B, after that we have to multiply A with C, after that we have to multiply A with D. Clear, student? So first part, that is A multiplied by B plus C plus D. Clear, student? This is rough work, student. First of all we have to find the product, after that we will fill this place. We have to find the product of these two expressions. So A multiplied by B plus C plus D, this one is the first expression and this one is the second expression, student. So first of all we have to multiply A with B, this one AB, A into B, it means AB, plus A into C, that is AC, and A into D, it will be AD. Clear, student? This is the product of A into B plus C plus D. So we have to write this product in this column, student, and it will be AB plus AC plus AD. Now we have to multiply the second part of this question, and that is first expression is x plus y minus 5 and second expression is 5xy. So student, in this we have to multiply this x plus y minus 5 into 5xy. Clear, student? This one is the first expression and this one second expression. So first of all we have to multiply this x with 5xy. So x into 5xy plus y into 5xy. This one minus, student, so minus 5 into 5xy. Now x into 5xy, so x into x, it will be x square, student. x and x. So after multiplying x into x, it will be x square. So it will be 5x square y, because in this one 5xy. So after multiplying this x with the x, it will be x square. So whole expression will be 5x square y, plus this one y with 5xy. So y will be multiplied with y. So it will be y into y square. So it will be 5xy square. Clear, students? And in this part it is negative, minus. So we have to put the sign of minus. After that we have to multiply 5 with 5, numbers with numbers. Clear, student? So 5 5 ja 25xy. So product of this first expression and second expression is 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. 25xy. This is the product of second part of the question, student. Now we have to do the next part, last part, that is, student, this one fourth part. So this one third part and fifth part you have to do yourself. I am going to solve the fourth part of this question, student, and in fourth part it is first expression is 4p square q square and multiplied by p square minus q square into, put a bracket here, and p square minus q square. Now first of all we have to multiply this 4p square q square with p square, student. This one will be 4p square q square into p square minus, because in this bracket there is a negative sign, so student we have to put here minus this one 4p square q square into q square. Now this one p square into p square, student, powers will be added, or exponents will be added. So p square into p square, it will be p to the power 4, 2 plus 2, that is 4. So 4p to the power 4 q square minus, and in this q square into q square, it will be q to the power 4. So 4p square q to the power 4. This is the product of this part, student. This one will be 4p square, p to the power 4 q square minus 4p square q to the power 4. This one is the answer. And this part, student, this part and the last part, third and last part, you have to do yourself. Now we will solve question number 3, student, and in this question find the product. We will solve only two parts of this question, student, and remaining two parts you have to do yourself. And this one, student, a to the power 2 into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. So first of all we have to multiply this, student, like this: a to the power 2 into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. Now we have to multiply the numbers with numbers and variables with variable, and all variables are same. This one a and this one again a and this one a, student. So we have to add the powers. Now in the next step, 2 into 4. Here 1, student, so need not to multiply 1. Clear, student? So 1 into 2 into 4 it will be. So 1 multiplied by any number, that will be the same that number. So 2 into 4 into a to the power 2 into a to the power 22 into a to the power 26. Base is equal, student, same, bases are same, then exponents will be added, and in the next step 2 4 ja 8, a to the power 2 plus 22 plus 26. Powers will be added, student. If there is sign of multiplication in between these variables, that is same, our bases are same. So in these bases there is a sign of multiplication, so exponents will be added. So in this a to the power 2 plus 22 plus 26. So this one 22 plus 2, it is 24, a to the power 24 plus 26. So 8 a to the power 50. 24 plus 26, it is 50, student. So answer will be 8 a to the power 50. After finding out the product, it will be 8 a to the power 50. Now in this, student, so first of all multiply the numbers with numbers and variables with variables. So this one minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5 into p into this one p cube into q cube into q. Now this one 10, student, and this one 5, and this one numerator and this one denominator. So 5 2 ja 10, reduce it, student. 5 2 ja 10, it will be minus 2, and 3 2 ja 6. Clear, student? Numerators will be divided by the denominator. So this one minus 2 into 2 into p to the power 3. So here, student, in p there is power 1. So 1 plus 3 powers will be added. So it will be p to the power 4, and q 3, it means q to the power 3 into q to the power 1 powers will be added. So it will be q to the power 4. So minus 2 into 2, it will be minus 4, p to the power 4, q to the power 4. Remaining part of this question, student, you have to do yourself. This is question number 4, student, and in this question we have to simplify. After simplifying this, we have to put the value of x in the expression, student, and we have to find out the value of this expression. Clear, student? So first of all we have to simplify this, student. So simplify this. 3 multiplied by 4x, 3x into 4x minus 3x into 5 plus this one 3, student. This 3 is out of the bracket, student. So we have to write this like this. This one 3. Now 3x into 4x, 3 into 4 into x, student, minus 3 5 ja 3 into 5 into x plus 3. Now this one 3 4 ja 12, x into x square, minus 3 5 ja 15, this one x plus 3. Clear, friends? Now this is the simplification of the expression. We have simplified this. Now we have to put the value x is equal to 3. This one first part, student. After putting the value in place of x, we have to put 3 here. So this one 12 into 3 square, because it is x square, student, minus 15 into 3. In place of x, we have to write 3 here, plus 3. Now this one 12 and 3 square, it is 9, student. 3 into 3 square, it means 9. 3 into 3 minus 15 3 ja 45 plus 3. And after multiplying this, 12 into 9, 12 9 ja 108. 108 minus 45 plus 3. Remember, students, we have to add the numbers, those are the positive numbers. So 108 plus 3, this one 108 plus 3 minus 45. Clear, student? Numbers which are positive, we have to take those positive number with each other or one side of the expression and the negative number other side. So this one will be 108 plus 3, it is 111 minus 45. After subtracting 45 from 111, it will be 11 minus 5, that is 6, again 10, 10 minus 4, that is 6. Answer will be 66, student. Now this expression is 66, the value of this expression is 66. Now we have to put the value x is equal to 1 by 2, this one second part. In this x is equal to 1 by 2. So students, we have to take this expression. After simplification, the expression it is 12x square minus 15x plus 3. This is the simplification of the expression, student. After multiplying, we find this expression. Now in this expression, we have to put the value of x, that is 1 by 2. So in this, student, 12 into 1 by 2 whole square, because it is x square, student, minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Now in this step, 12 into 1 by 2 whole square, it means, student, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 4, student. Clear? So after multiplying, it will be 1 by 4. So here we have to write 1 by 4 minus this one 15 into 1, this one 15 by 2 and plus 3. Now this 4 3 ja 12. So this one 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Now we have to add the positive numbers, student. So this one positive and this one positive. 3 plus 3, it is 6 minus 15 by 2. So this one 6 by 1, student. So we have to take LCM now. So after taking LCM as 2, in place of 6, 6 2 ja 12, because it will be 6 12 by 2, that is 6. So 12 minus 15, this one is, student, after taking LCM, and 12 minus 15, it will be minus 3 by 2. So this one is the answer, student. Minus 3 by 2 is the answer. When we put the value x is equal to 1 by 2 in this expression, we find that the value of the expression is minus 3 by 2. Now we have to solve the question number 5, student. And two parts of this question, student, you have to do yourself. First part of question number 5, that is add P minus Q minus R and R minus P. So student, in this part, we have to add this P minus Q plus this one Q minus R plus R minus P. Now in this, student, we have to multiply these numbers in the bracket with P. So P into P, this one P into P minus P into Q, this one, plus Q into Q into Q minus Q into R plus R into R minus R into P, R into P. In this, student, P into P, it will be P square minus PQ, plus in this Q square minus this one QR, plus R into R, it will be R square or R to the power 2 minus RP. Now we have to write this expression in exponential form. Students, the exponent P square, Q square and R square, whose exponent is more. That is, we have to write first P square plus Q square plus R square. We have to take these P square, Q square and R square first, student. Now minus PQ minus QR minus RP. This one is the answer of this part of question, student. Now we have to solve the last part of this question, that is subtraction, student. So second part of this question, that is addition, and you have to do yourself, and third part is subtraction, student, that you will do also. And fourth part of the question and last part of the question, I am going to solve that. This is last part of question number 5, student, and in this we have to subtract 3a in bracket a plus b plus c minus 2b in bracket a minus b plus c from 4c in bracket minus a plus b plus c. So student, from this part we have to subtract this. So first of all, we have to write this part of the question. This one, 4c in bracket minus a plus b plus c. From this one, from this part we have to subtract this part, student. So we have to put a negative sign here, that is subtraction, minus, and after that we have to write this curly bracket, student, because we have to solve this question first, this first part. Clear, student? So 3a in bracket a plus b plus c minus 2b in bracket a minus b plus c, and close this curly bracket, student. Now in this, student, 4c into a, it will be minus 4ac. It is minus a, student, so it will be minus 4ac after multiplying, and again 4c multiplied with b, it will be plus 4bc, and 4c multiplied by c, it will be plus 4c square, minus, and curly bracket here, that is 3a into a, 3a square, 3a into b plus 3ab, 3a into c plus 3ac. Now we have to multiply the numbers in the bracket with minus 2. So minus 2ab, and minus 2 into minus b, it will be plus 2b square, b into b, it will be b square, student, and minus 2b into c, it will be minus 2bc, minus. In the next step, student, we have to write this minus 4ac plus 4ab, bc plus 4c square, and after multiplying this minus, student, it will be minus 3a square, and it will be minus 3ab. Minus into plus, it will be minus 3ac. Again student, minus into minus, it will be plus 2ab, minus into plus 2b square, it will be minus 2b square, and minus will be plus student, and it will be plus 2bc. Need not to write the bracket student here. Now write the like terms with each other student, and first of all write the terms which are greater exponents, that is minus 3a square, this one student, and minus 2b square plus 4c square. Again student, this one minus 3ab, and this one plus 2ab student, plus 2ab, and bc student, that is 4bc plus 4bc, and here plus 2bc, plus 2bc, and in this student minus 4ac, minus 4ac, and this one minus 3ac. We have to write the like terms with each other student, and in this minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square. Now minus 3ab plus 2ab, it is negative, it is positive student. So minus 3ab plus 2ab, it will be minus ab only, and this one 4bc plus 2bc, that is 6bc, and this one 4ac minus 3ac minus 7ac. This is the answer student, and in this one minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square minus ab plus 6bc minus 7ac. This is the answer of this question student, and second part of this question you have to do yourself.